What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to run 2 Roblox accounts at the same time using a really handy extension from Roblox Teammate. This tool lets you launch multiple Roblox instances with different accounts, which is awesome for trading, grinding, or just goofing around with your alts. Let's jump straight into it. First, click the link in the description to head over to the Roblox Teammate website. Once you're there, hit the Download Extension button. A pop-up with instructions will show up, and the extension will start downloading automatically. After that, open the downloaded archive. Inside, you'll find a folder with the extension. Close your browser for a second and extract that folder to your desktop. It's way easier to work with that way. Now let's get it installed. Click the 3 dots in the corner of your browser, go to Extensions, then pick Manage Extensions. Turn on Developer Mode, just flip that toggle. Then drag the extracted extension folder from your desktop into this window, and that's it. It's installed and ready. Now open Roblox and go to the game you want to play with 2 accounts. I'll use Pet Simulator 99 for this one. Click the extensions icon in your browser toolbar and open our newly installed Roblox Teammate extension. Inside, click the Add Current button. Your first account will be added in a second. Now switch to a different Roblox account on the website, open the extension again, and click Add Current once more. Once both accounts are added, just launch Roblox one by one from each account. Click the blue play button on the game page for each account. I'll see you inside the game. Nice! As you can see, everything works perfectly. We've successfully launched 2 Roblox instances with different accounts, and we're all on the same server. That's all for today, folks. If this was helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more Roblox tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have fun playing with yourself in the best way possible. Bye.